Alright guys, even I'm watching my own video, I get this ad blockers are not allowed on YouTube. And I can re-watch it just pressing this X mark, and I can re-watch it without having trouble. But the thing is, they're giving this pop-ups maybe 4 times a day, or sometimes even more. All you gotta do is just hit the X mark, and that's it. You gotta do nothing. So that's the only thing that happened. So yeah, just hit the X mark. There are probably some other ad block extension, but mine actually also work with website and the what is it called, also the YouTube. So which is great. That's why I like this ad block. I don't want to use any other else because. So yeah, let me know in the comment what do you guys think about this pop-up. See you guys in the next video.